Welcome to a new video from me, guys. Today we are going to talk about the Evo, what the upgrades are from this year, what we have changed on the car. So the biggest change on the car is that we have rewired the whole car. The car was away for 4 months at Dale from Touge wiring. He did an amazing job on the wiring harness. So the completely car is now mil-spec from front part of the car, engine, interior and the trunk or rear part of the car. The car is now running on a link combined with 3 PDMs and a Haltech display. Biggest change that is on the car is that every analog signal got converted to CAN bus, so the car runs completely on CAN bus, guys. That's a lot of work. So now, guys, we are going to remove the seats. The seats are outside the car. Now we are starting to remove the cage, the carbon panels, and then we are going to remove the dashboard tomorrow. It's already starting to get dark, so I'm just gonna do what we can and start everything else tomorrow. Quick update here. Door panels are outside the car, dashboard is outside. I have all electrical parts that have to stay inside. Already on top here, I still have to put a few little things back inside that are inside the car once the car is going away. Rear is everything gone as well, the carbon panels. Just showing you everything really quick. Car just came back from the wiring upgrade. I am still processing everything because it is that crazy, and the whole car got rewired from front to back, so it's really a big job there, and I'm so thankful to Dale from Touge wiring, so thank you so much for doing it. I'm gonna put everything back together now. I take some pictures before and after. I'm gonna try to put them inside the video as well, so you can see a difference if I didn't record it before. Otherwise, I'm just gonna put the clips inside. And with that being said, let's get back to work and assemble everything. Sensor wise, we don't have anything too crazy inside the Evo, just the basic sensors to have a car running pretty good and to have everything dialed in to see if the car is performing well or if anything is hurt. So we are running oil temperature and pressure, water temperature and pressure, fuel pressure as well to see if the fuel pump is failing. We also have an intake air temperature sensor. And of course, the most important part, we also have air-fuel ratio. So now we are coming to the radium fuel lines. As you can see, they come from the fuel tank here, and they go up to the front, to the fuel filter and to the fuel rail. So guys, I'm gonna show you the most important part now, the interior, the heart where I film the videos and the view that you always see. It didn't change a lot, honestly. It's still the same cage, seats, steering wheel. It's pretty much the same. But I have a brand new Haltech dash inside combined with the link. I still have to remove the plastic on top of it, but we are going to remove that dashboard again because I'm going to put the Evo 5 RS dash inside that doesn't have the airbag box there. Now I have a glove box inside, but I'm gonna replace that with the Evo 5 RS dash that's completely clean, so I can put the air vent back inside as well. Gonna give you a quick shot on the Haltech dash. Thanks a lot, Willem, for sending me the Haltech dash. As you can see, I have an original TME cluster. Then I can swap it to the Haltech stuff and another one. We still have to set up everything. It's not perfectly yet, but that's pretty cool. So guys, now we're going to the trunk side. I have some buttons that I can press here to open the trunk. So now the trunk is open. So the battery is also on the rear of the car now. I have a box to bolt it in, so the battery is perfectly inside. That right here is just to move the car around. It's nothing to drive on the street like this, but for the moment it's enough. You almost don't see any wires laying around except here a bit. These few I still have to mount them properly in, but besides that you almost see no wires at all. It's tucked in really nice. It's super clean. I'm super in love with the wiring, how he did it. He did a super great job. I'm really happy. Thanks so much, Dale, for putting the work inside the car and with the wiring. These are my new rims for Evo. Big thanks to Hanshin Imports for making this possible. He is the Swiss and European importer of wet sports. So if you're interested in the wheels, don't hesitate to message them. They have many wheels in stock, and the good thing is they ship European wide, guys. Let's unbox the wheels so you can take a look at them, how they look like. All the wheels come in this color. That's EJ Titan. As you can see, that looks pretty nice in the sun. I really like it. The wheels are coming in the size of 17 by 9 and offset 25. So let's take the Evo out and take a look how they fit on the car. These are the current wheels on the car, guys. Work 11R, 18 by 9.5, offset 30. So we're gonna remove them and put the wets on to see how that's going to look like. So the wheels fit perfectly on the car, guys. The front, the rear, wideness wise or fitment wise, they're perfectly just like the ones before. They fit amazing. They also clear the AP Racing caliper and the whole brakes on the inside as well, on the suspension. The rear, of course, it's going to have enough space, but it's really nice to see that everything is fitting as it should be. So I'm pretty stoked to put some tires on and to run them on the car. Here's also my street set on the Evo, guys. Freshly Wet Sports TC 105X, powder coated in bronze, 17 by 9, offset 25. They look amazing in the sun, guys. The bronze is spot on. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the upgrades of the Evo, what we have done to the car. So let me know in the comments what you think about. I would highly appreciate that. And the next video is the first drive of the Evo, so I'm really stoked that you guys are going to say. With that being said, guys, see you in the next one. Oh, here's a quick 1, 2, 3, guys, for you.